Hello friends, as we know that the world is facing global crisis due to outbreak of COVID-19. It is a challenge for all of us. But in this challenge, we are facing legal problems like hoarding of essential commodities and termination of employment even after the explicit order of central government as well as the state government.
As we all know that COVID-19 is declared as pandemic by World Health Organization. The Disaster Management Authority has come into picture and Disaster Management Act 2005 has been applied throughout the country and the authority has come into play. So there are various sections of Disaster Management Act of 2005 you need to know. Section 51. If you obstruct or refuse to comply with any direction given by central government or state government officer or employee and did not let them do their job without a reasonable justification, its punishment is for 1 year or fine or with both, and if your obstruction endangers life, then the imprisonment is for 2 years. And section 52 is that if you make a false claim just to reap benefits of this act or from central government or from the state government, punishment will be of 2 years and fine. And section 53 deals with the hoarding of essential materials. If someone is entrusted with money or essential materials and they are misappropriating it or selling more than the MRP or willfully compels others to do it for their own benefit, punishment is for 2 years with fine. And section 54 deals with the spreading of false information which causes panic. This includes all social media messages that are creating panic in the area. So before sending any message, check if this is authentic, truthful or not. Restrain yourself from spreading any false rumors because its punishment is for 1 year or with fine. And section 55 deals with the offences by departments by government. If any officer or public servant commits any offence, the head of the department will be proceeded as enumerated there, except in the case they prove that the said act is done without their knowledge or done with due diligence. And section 56 deals with public servants not performing their duties, then the punishment is for 1 year or fine. And section 57 deals with the central government or the state government can ask any of us for the assistance they need. If you are not obeying with the order of lockdown, in that case you can be prosecuted under this section as well as relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code 1872. Punishment under this section is for 1 year or fine or with both. And section 58 offences by companies. The heads of the companies will be prosecuted and punished as per the act. If you find any person doing any of the offences aforesaid, you can make a complaint within 30 days specifying the offence and your intention to file to the national authority, the state authority and the central government, the state government, the district authority or any other authority or officer authorized. Now let's come to the relevant provisions of the Indian Penal Code 1860. If you are not following the lockdown, then you can be prosecuted for the aforesaid offences. Section 188. If you are not obeying with the orders of the public servant or police comes under this definition, then the punishment will be of 1 month and with fine or with both. If the disobedience causes danger to the human life, as is today's situation, then the punishment can extend up to 6 months or fine or with both. And section 269 says that if any person acts negligently and does any act which spreads infection COVID-19, then its punishment will be of 6 months or fine or with both. And section 270, if you are doing any act endangering or threatening human life, that means going out of your home, then the punishment will be of 2 years or with fine or with both. So friends, you must share this video to the maximum people in maximum groups of your mobile. So must share, as well as you are requested to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.